Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about procrastination. What is procrastination? You keep on extending something. You want to do something, but you keep on saying, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it the other day, I'll do it the other week. No, let me first finish this one and do it. I will start the other month, I will start next year. Procrastination. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. So if you'd like a counseling session or guidance, go to noraarake.com/booking. Without further ado, let's get into this video. You can't save time. You can't manage time. You can't even waste time. The only thing you can do is to spend time. Irrespective of what you do or what you don't do, time moves on. You can't stop it. You can't buy it. You can't hold it. It will continue to go and to move. As long as you are alive, you are doing something at any given moment in time. Every time you're doing something, whether you're sleeping or sitting or standing or walking, you are doing something. And regardless of what you are doing, you are spending time. Time is being spent. Never do tomorrow what you can do today. Never do next week what you can do this week. Never do next month or next year what you can do this month or this year. What you don't do today will be your worry tomorrow. Procrastination is the art of keeping up with yesterday. If you lag behind in your schedules, you will lag behind in your income. Many procrastinations hide behind getting it perfect, hide behind doing it at the right time, hide behind doing it with the right person, hide behind doing it at the right place. Look, if you wait for ideal conditions, you won't do it. The most fatal dream killer is procrastination. Stop dodging. Stop it now. Now is the right time to stop that addictive habit of I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next week, and I'll do it next month. Now is the right time to launch that project. Now is the right time to start that business. Now is the right time to have that wedding. Now is the right time to make that proposal. Now is the right time to visit your parents. Now is the right time to call them. Now is the right time to reach out to the person you like. Now is the right time to follow your dream. Now. Someday is not in the calendar. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. You'd rather be a hot mess in action than an organized coward. If you want to start something next week, you start it today. By next week, you'll be perfect at it. You will have learned how to do it properly. Start it today. If the task looks too big, break it down in doable parts. There is no unrealistic dream. There is just unrealistic timelines. Account for every moment you live. Plan each day the night before. Purpose never to sleep before you finish today's tasks. Plan each week the week before. Learn to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Winners have no idle time. They don't have any idle time. Resting and relaxing is not wasting time. If you want to go somewhere, get started now. If you want to build something, get started. If you want to go somewhere, for example, you have to start from somewhere. So start now. Do not procrastinate anymore. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video.